Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about why is my Cash App payment pending and how to stop the wait. So Cash App payments show as pending usually because the recipient hasn't manually accepted it. The account needs verification or server issues. So here are a couple of actions that are required. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if your pending status. So you want to simply go ahead and check if your so the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if you have unverified account. Cash App may hold transaction until the user verifies their identity. So simply go ahead and do that. If that is not the case, and if it is a technical issue, the app may be experiencing downtime or your network connection is weak. In that case, you might want to uninstall and reinstall your application. You might also simply go ahead and verify your recipient's info, make sure that it is correct, and also check account limits. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.